Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to download free copyright safe sound from YouTube Studio on your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on search Google right here. Then go ahead and type in studio dot youtube.com, then hit enter. Then go ahead and click on continue to studio right here. Then you'll be taken to the interface whereby you will need to log in with your YouTube username and password. Once you log in, it takes you to this interface right here. Next thing you want to do here is to zoom out like so. Then make sure you go ahead and click on here, music library right here. Click on that so you can see audio library. So let's zoom in again. Now we are in audio library right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and we make sure we click on sound effects. Click on that. Then it's going to load up and show you all available sound effects on YouTube right here. You can swipe this way and then this allows you to see more. So as at the time of making this video, 637 plus sound effect is available right here. So next thing you want to do is to click on here to click on next. So click on next right here. It takes you to next page whereby you see more load of sound effects from different artists. So for you to download anyone for here free, what you need to do is to go ahead and let's, for instance, I'm interested in this factory background right here. So I'm going to go ahead and play the sound first. If you are not satisfied with that, go ahead and check another one. Just like so. You can check as many as possible sound effects right here. Okay, I'm satisfied with this. Then I will have to swipe this way and then go ahead and click on download right here. Download, and in a few seconds, this sound effect will start to download successful. Open the file. Then we have the sound effect right here. Let's play it. It's that simple. So this is how to get free safe copyright sound effect from YouTube Studio on your phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.